Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and are keeping safe. If you don't know me, my name is Beatrice and yeah, back again with another video. So today I look a bit mad, yes, and also my makeup isn't fully cooperating today, so allow me please. But that doesn't mean that I can't still come and do my 2 cents on the new Revolution bronzers. So yeah, today's the battle of the bronzers. Gonna compare this with my favorite all-time bronzer. I say all-time like it really came out like so many years ago, but it's just the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I didn't get the new Fenty bronzers because I can't lie to you, I'm still not a fan. I don't really see why it's even labeled as a bronzer, but you know, we ain't gonna throw no shade today because the girl is trying to be holy. Hallelujah. So today gonna test out 2 shades that I managed to grab my hands on, which is medium dark and deep. So some people be probably thinking like, Beatrice, you look like a dark kind of girl, and yeah, probably I could, but I wanted something a little bit warmer, something that's a bit more do you know what I mean, a bit more stand out-ish, because like I said, bronzers for me, I go ham. So if you're not someone that likes to use bronzers like in that ham kind of way, you might not like this review, but you know, still kind of see whether you know you might actually end up loving it. So yeah, gonna compare these two, medium dark and deep. I'm gonna do swatches, so I'm gonna probably insert my swatches right now. Okay, so you guys have now seen the swatches, so yeah, let's just zoom in and let's get into this and let's just see whether these bronzers are gonna do the damn thing. All right, let go. Okay, so before I go in and put this on my face, let's just talk about the packaging. So it basically comes in a package like this, which I think is, you know, simple, basic, can't really complain. It says a shade on top, which is what you need to know, and then it comes in looking like this. Sorry, you guys are going to see the reflections, but yeah, you can see what the product looks like. So in my opinion, it's a good packaging. Like, I don't think it's one of them ones that's going to quickly fling off. The thing that I think is so crucial whenever you have any kind of bronzers is to have a mirror, which is what my Covergirl Ebony bronze does not have, and I really hate that. If you just compare this with my Ebony Covergirl, you can kind of see that the difference is crazy. Like, the difference is actually mad. So you're never gonna run out of product when you're using this, let's just be real. Like, this is absolutely insane. Yeah, apart from that, I think, you know, it's basic. You can't really be expecting too much. I mean, it's £8. So yeah, just gonna jump in, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do one side with actually Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami, and then I'm gonna do one other side, and I think I'm gonna do it in the shade deep, simply because I want to use my darkest one and see what it feels like. So yeah, let's just jump straight in and let's do the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami side. So yeah, so if we're able to kind of find a cheaper dupe, then you know, that is gonna be amazing. But I can't lie to you, I was having this conversation with my girls yesterday, and it's like with Revolution, I just feel like it's a hit and miss, because sometimes their color payoff is just not right at all. So just to let you know, when you're using the Mocha Mami, there's no kickback whatsoever, and you can use like a dense brush to kind of apply Mocha Mami, but you're gonna see with the Revolution that might not necessarily be the case. So yeah, literally just dabbing it in, like I'm really dabbing it in, and then I'm gonna go in and basically put it on my face, so you can see the warmth is now coming back. So just comparing this to this, like there's a massive difference, and that's how ham I go with my bronzers. Some people don't like it. Some people went ahead and got Cocoa Naughty, which is a shade above Mocha Mami, but yeah, I love deep rich shades on my face. So you guys can now see this is the Mocha Mami side, and this is nothing. So now let's go in. Hey ho ha kitty, I'm so scared because this gonna ruin my makeup. So yeah, let's go in with the shade Deep. So this is one shade up from the, actually let me just see, I need to double check, but I believe that this is one shade up from the darkest shade. So yeah, this is one shade up from the darkest shade, like crazy. Yeah, so let's just see how that looks. So I'm just gonna get my brush and I'm just gonna tap it in. So immediately I tap it in, I'm seeing some kickback, but it's not, okay, no, it's bad, it's bad. I am getting a lot of kickback. So this is one of them products where you tap, you click it, do you know what I mean? That is just so crucial. So let's just see how it looks like when I put it on my face. Let me clip my hair. Okay, so now just dabbing that in, and I'm just gonna put that on my face, work that in. Okay, this is actually very dark. This is actually dark, let me not lie to you. But I can't lie to you, I'm actually really liking this. I am liking it. Just comparing the two, this one's a bit more cooler. Okay, so can I just point out one thing? There's a smell and it's like pineapple. It's like one pineapple fruity kind of smell, and I can't lie to you, I hate fragrance in my products. I absolutely hate fragrance in my products. Ah! I can manage, but I can't lie to you, I'm really smelling it in this room. Like, it is stinking up my room. Now, how can a product be stinking up my room like this? Hey, God. Okay, so let's now do a close-up so you guys can see a comparison between Mocha Mami and the shade Deep, which is one shade up from the darkest shade. So you can see that Fenty Beauty definitely has more of like a red warmth to it. However, I'm not mad at this. I lie to you, will I run and use this product? No, I can't lie to you, I prefer how my face looks with the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I know that probably if I did get the shade dark, it might be a bit better on my face, but honestly, like, I just don't like fragrance in my products. So for me, it has actually been a massive turn off. I'm not impressed, let me not lie to you. I'm actually very disappointed. Oh, I'm very disappointed. I'm just going to quickly finish off with my makeup and then come back and give you guys my verdict and see how everything kind of fits together. Okay, so we're back. I have finished my, I applied my blush and applied my highlight. So let me just give you guys my final verdict on this product. Let me not lie to you, I'm happy. Because when I first of all applied this product on my face, it looked off. Like, it actually looked off. I wasn't sure whether it was because I put too much product on, but I wasn't necessarily liking how it was looking. However, this product is one of them products that looks off at the beginning, but when you finish off your makeup, so you put your blush, you put your highlight on, it's beautiful. Let me not lie to you, it's beautiful. Now, I love the warmth that came with Mocha Mami, but however, I feel like this warmth is a bit more realistic. It's not cool tone, it's still warm, but it's more realistic. The redness that's in Mocha Mami is a bit too much now. Like, looking at it, it's a bit too much comparing it between the two. Yeah, like, I genuinely am very shocked as to how it came together, because like I said, when I first of all tried it, I was like, hell no, I'm gonna lock off this video because it's not working. But yeah, so just letting you guys know, I got this in the shade Deep, which is the one shade up from the darkest one. Let me not lie to you guys, for £8, this product is not bad at all. I think the amount of product is actually enough. It is way too much, but it is worth £8. And the packaging and just, you know, the general feel of it, I can't lie to you, I'm very impressed. But all in all, I actually really like this product. I would definitely be reaching for this product a lot more, and I'm very happy that I got 2 shades. So I got this shade, which is one of the darkest ones, but I also got one of the cool tones. So for them days that I don't want any warmth, I feel like this product will do the damn thing. So yeah, like, I'm very, very impressed, and I really want to know what you guys think of this. Do you guys like this product? I don't necessarily think it's overhyped, as most people would say, because it's £8 compared to my other ones. You know, they're a lot more expensive. However, the Covergirl Ebony Bronze one is not something that you can get easily in the UK, and I do think that this is basically kind of like the same thing. So this might be the new Ebony Girl Cover Bronze, because that product back in the day, whoo, it did the damn thing. So yeah, hope you guys really like this video, and I hope you guys were able to take something on. Hopefully the swatches help you decide whether, you know, what shade you want to get. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.